Good day, everyone. I am Ernaline Quemada presenting malware in use of technology. Malware encompasses various types of malicious software designed to harm computer systems, steal data. Examples include viruses, worms, trojans, and ransomware. Malware encompasses encrypts a user's system data and demands ransom payment for decryption. Where encryption spread rapidly through networks without users' interaction. Spread rapidly viruses. It is capable of self-replication and spreading by infecting other programs and files. To gain access to a system, once activated, they execute a malicious function. Program